Hello, everyone. This is Libo Wen, Chair of Young Engineer Spotlight Program from Society for Information Display. Today, for the Young Engineer Showcase, we have the pleasure of talking to Dr. Woohyun Jung from Samsung. Woohyun, can you give us a quick introduction, please?
Sure. So, hi, my name is Woohyun Jung, a staff engineer of the Samsung Display Company. I'm in charge of the equipment core technology development team in the Mechatronics Technology Research Center since 2018. Thank you for inviting for the Young Engineer Spotlight program. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. It's our pleasure to have you, Woohyun. So talking about the Display Week, have you attended a Display Week before?
Oh, yes, I'm given the opportunity to attend the SID Display Weeks for the first time in this year. Fortunately, it is the hard when the South Korea has been entering the stable endemic situation of the coronavirus disease. So it is possible to travel abroad that time. I have sometimes attended the conferences related to the photonic devices in the past, but this is the first time in the SID Display Weeks. I have attended such a conference specializing for information display technology. I'm looking forward to having the various the new experiences academically by attending this symposium.
Yeah, it's great for you to attend the conference in person. And this year is in San Jose, so hope to see you face to face at that time.
Yeah, right.
And then next question we have is, as you are working in display industry engineer for about 4 years, so what are you most excited about in the display industry and for Display Week 2022?
I am interested in the manufacturing technology related to the micro LED products, and I expected to see various research results in this regard. In addition, it is expected that it will be possible to have personal interchange with many people in the related industries as the offline event since the pandemic. So I believe that this symposium can help to establish the more academic relationships and develop the new technologies for the display industry.
Yeah, I think you can expect to see about thousands of attendees coming from all around the world during the Display Week. And it's exciting for everybody to meet in person and talk about the technology trends and breakthrough in the display field. So let's switch gear to the future. What do you wish to see in the future Display Week conferences?
So as all the research societies and its conferences unfold, I hope that there will be the more opportunities to share the latest research results continuously. In particular, the demand for the AR and the VR markets are expected to increase along with the growth of the metaverse. I'm not sure, but related with its needs. So, and a lot of the information displays is expected to increase further in the next few years to draw some companies. It is hoped that the various research, the research related to this will be shared a lot in the future.
Yeah, I believe so. This year's Display Week have a lot of talks on display technology related to the AR, VR application. And I believe we will have more in the future Display Week conferences. You mentioned you are working in equipment technology development team. So what's the most challenging and exciting thing in your area of research?
So I'm working in the Department of Optical Engineering lab at the research center. So our lab conducts the optical system design and the process developments and even precise methodology analysis and so on. So in the particular, the laser processing occupies a large proportion in the display manufacturing. Without the laser technology, we could not achieve many kinds of the accomplishments. The recently released portable display products have been also realized with the help of this technology. The most challenging task we are facing recently is the demand for the precise processing technique for glass materials of the various thickness. And I'm working with our team members to solve the related of these problems.
Interesting. Hopefully, your team can successfully solve the problems and share with us later. So I know you have a presentation in the Display Week. Can you give a brief introduction for your SID paper and the presentation?
As one of the various attempts to reduce the size of the display bezel, the high precision glass cutting process is required to develop for the future displays. In the presentations, the bezel beam laser cutting process has been studied, which is capable of minimizing the thermal deformation of the black matrix material on the rigid glass panel. When reducing the thermal effects caused by the high order bezel beams, without sacrificing the glass, the breaking strength, effective heat effect zone could be reduced more than nearby the 30 micrometer width from the cutting line. The high precision cutting technology will contribute to realize the expandable tiling display, and the authors believe that the design, the manufacturing process satisfies the industrial needs. The presentation will be started on the May 12th at 3:10 p.m. on session 62. The session title is the Innovative Glass Substrate and Processing. So please attention. Yeah, thank you.
Interesting talk. I think any audience who are interested in this talk, please attend Dr. Woohyun Jung's presentation in May 12th. So, all right, it's my pleasure to talk to you today, Dr. Woohyun Jung, and hope to see you in person in the Display Week in May at San Jose. Have a great one. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.